Hi, welcome to another episode of How to Clean Velcro. Today, I will be showing you which one is more effective to clean Velcro. I have here toothbrush, and of course, we have also a steel brush. So, which one is more effective? Now, I will show you today the effectivity between the two. So, here's our Velcro, and it is dirty. So, I will show you how to clean it using between, although I have some lint here that I have done a while ago before this video. So this is the lint or the tiny fiber that I have removed partly from the Velcro. So here's the effectivity, guys, and we will continue to just to show it to you and how to use it. So last time we used a toothbrush, and of course the effectivity is not really 100% remove, although it can remove, but it needs more time to clean. So again, I will show you using the toothbrush. It could clean, but it's not 100%. Now the other side, this is the part that I started cleaning with the steel brush. So for the sake of curiosity, I will be showing you the effectivity of the toothbrush. So this part is not yet clean. The other part, I partially clean it with the steel brush. So it could clean, but it's not 100%. So it means it takes some time to do it, to make it 99.99% clean, although it's not 100%. There were some lint or tiny fiber that still stick in it, but it could clean. It could remove some hair and some tiny fiber from the fabric. Now by this time, I will show you using the steel brush. But once again, I remind to those people who are not aware of using a steel brush, this kind of steel brush, guys, this is just what I have at home, and this is quite big. And this is not advisable because this might damage the fabric. So this is what I have for now. So just for the sake of showing you the performance of this kind of brush, but again, I will recommend it is much better if you could use maybe the tiny size of your brush or steel brush, because this one is quite big. It might damage the fabric. So make sure to use tinier or the finer brush or steel brush. That based on my observation. But this one is not bad. It could clean, but the danger, it might damage your fabric. But so far, this one is based on experience, is just fine. Well, the choice is yours. Again, this is how to clean it using the steel brush. Show you much, guys. I don't have the something that could hold the camera. Maybe I could move a little bit closer. again, be careful, it might damage your fabric. Just continue. I will see. Okay, maybe we could have a good view now. Oops, sorry. So this is the effect. So how was that? Not bad at all. So compared if you are using a toothbrush. So this is much cleaner compared to if you use a toothbrush. But once again, the only danger is if it is quite big, it might irritate or damage the fabric. So make sure if you could find the finer one. There were some finer steel brush that you could use to remove it. So try to observe, guys, and this is the effect so far. So it could clean, we could say 99.9%, or let's say 100%. If it depends on how much time you are spending to clean your Velcro. But once again, this one could clean as well. So it is your choice. And the last time we have also a comparison between these tools and the toothbrush. And today is a comparison of steel brush and toothbrush. So that's it for today. So now we know the effectivity of steel brush compared to toothbrush. That it could clean better than the toothbrush. The steel brush could clean better than the toothbrush. Well, that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoy this video, and if you like it, please like, comment what you have seen on the video or reaction to the video, and share to help more people solve their problems when it comes to Velcro cleaning. So that's it for today, and I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.